Welcome to your County Line 2023. 2022 was a great year for Yuma County, and we'd like to share some of the important moments, personnel changes, and technological advancements we highlighted this past year. As we look forward to another productive year, let's first take a look back. The beginning of the year required Arizona, like the rest of the U.S., to redraw its congressional and legislative districts. This occurs every 10 years to reflect population changes in the state and country. The Redistricting Advisory Commission was formed and met regularly to rearrange the district's lines. When an agreed-upon final recommendation was set, it was then reviewed and adopted by the Board of Supervisors. With primary and general elections in 2022, our voter and election services began preparing early in the year, starting with voter outreach. Both elections required poll worker recruitment and training, as well as logic and accuracy tests for equipment. Early ballots and early voting were options, and voting early in person was available at the recorder's office. There were 8 vote center locations on Election Day. The Express Vote machine was used, a touchscreen technology that produces a paper ballot. County buildings had a facelift to their parking lots with the addition of solar-covered parking structures. In total, 603 parking stalls will be covered throughout 6 county buildings. Adult Probation, the Foothills Library, Main Library, Public Works, and Department of Development Services are all benefiting. While some buildings received upgrades, others had to be moved to temporary locations to allow for future demolition and construction at 197 Main. The assessor joined the treasurer's office at 2550 South 4th Avenue, next to McDonald's, while the recorder and election services took over the old Hopstadter's building at 102 South Main Street. The sheriff's office benefited from training expansion and new equipment, allowing more operations to be completed in-house. CARES Act funds received allowed the county to expand the Regional Law Enforcement Training Academy at Arizona Western College. Funds are going towards a new facility. The expansion of the training academy will benefit public safety in Arizona and across the country for many years. They've joined the Arizona Rapid DNA Law Enforcement Program, allowing quicker information to use in local investigative cases. This technology has the potential to immediately impact an investigation by linking suspects to previous crimes, collecting and rapidly processing crime scene samples for investigative leads, and significantly reducing the time it takes to identify or eliminate a potential suspect. Mid-year, we said goodbye to County Administrator Susan Thorpe and welcomed a new County Administrator. The Board of Supervisors unanimously appointed Ian McGahey as County Administrator, promoted from Deputy County Administrator. Appointed as Deputy County Administrator was Joshua Scott, former Public Works Director. In September, Yuma County and Allo Fiber gathered for a shovel groundbreaking ceremony that kicked off the Middle Mile Fiber Backbone Project. This project will provide everyone in Yuma County with access to fast, reliable, and affordable internet service. The groundbreaking ceremony for the Magrino Industrial Park Phase 4 was held in October. This project will draw industries to Yuma County and provide more opportunities to the communities in South County. The Somerton Housing Department connected to Somerton City Water. This replaced the old water system, installed in the 1960s. The Housing Water Project consisted of 7,200 linear feet of 12-inch diameter PVC water line from the City of Somerton distribution system at Avenue F to the Housing's Valley Vista Apartments. The Housing's Valley Vista apartment office and 84 units are now all benefiting from better quality water as well as cost savings. Throughout the year, our Office of Emergency Management held important trainings to ensure that our first responders are safe when working with hazardous materials. Emergency Management, in partnership with U.S. Bureau of Reclamation, held a 2-day training designed to teach first responders how to respond to an oil or gas spill. Industry professionals provided classroom and hands-on training advice to participants. First responders used boom equipment during the hands-on portion to prevent an oil or gas spill into the Colorado River. Instructors from the International Fire Service Training Association came to Yuma County to teach 19 first responders from Yuma and San Luis fire departments. The course took place over 4 weeks with 200 hours of in-class and on-the-field training. With constant trainings, our first responders are better prepared. Finally, illegal dumping in Yuma County continued to be a growing problem. Multiple county agencies worked together to find solutions. A collaboration between the Sheriff's Office and Public Works helped address the problem. Patrols were increased, disposal site information was provided, public was informed on ways to report offenders, and information about fines and penalties was shared. The Sheriff's Office went a step further, inviting several Yuma Catholic High School students to assist in the cleanup along the Colorado River. Our Department of Development Services are constantly following up on cases year-round and have seen an increase in illegal dumping around desert areas. Let's keep Yuma County clean in 2023 by helping these agencies. The Sheriff's Office can be reached at 928-783-4427 or 78-CRIME to remain anonymous. You can contact Department of Development Services at 928-217-DUMP or head to one of the 4 Public Work Transfer Site locations. They can be found at yumacountyaz.gov. Before we say goodbye to 2022, we'd like to congratulate the entire Yuma County staff of employees working hard every day to serve our community. It is our hope that this new year is even better than the last. Stay tuned to your County Line as we continue to bring you the stories of what's going on with your county government.